Okay, what I discovered was my generator needs to have a different motor besides this one. So I just wanted to test this motor just to see what it would do with no generator attached. So let's just see what it does here. And this entire design is on YouTube in previous videos, so if you want to do it, everything's there. You might say this thing moves at a pretty high rate of speed. So, that's that. If you want to build one of these systems, that's how you do it. It's all on YouTube. I've got to change my my generator over here to a different kind of motor, maybe a 1.5 horsepower or something, and we'll go from there. Anyway, because I'm only getting at the pole transformers down here, I'm getting 70 volts instead of 120, and my meter didn't read any volts. On each transformer. What I did find out was when I turned the fan on, the current going into the first pole didn't increase, but the voltage dropped, so that's probably why. Anyway, I need to get the 120. Have a good day.